What's up guys, Braids here. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time being here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Okay guys, so in today's video, I am going to be doing like a diamond studded curly braided ponytail situation. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let us hop into the video. Okay guys, so starting off, my hair is already washed and I lightly blow dried it. Now you just see me kind of making a part in the front because I'm going to do a middle part and I'm actually going to be laying my hair down in sections. So that's the section that I'm obviously going to do last. And I'm just going to twist that away. Now I'm just gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna like part my hair away so that I can, as I said before, slick my hair down in sections. So I just start with the back, I part that section away with my fingers. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. And then I'm going to use a hair tie and kind of pin the top section out of my way so that I can work on that bottom section first. And I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel to slick it down. Once I apply the gel, I just use a hard bristle brush and brush it in and then tie that away with a hair tie, and I basically just keep doing that through my hair until I get to the very top. This is just to ensure that my hair lays really flat because that's what I'm going for with this hairstyle. Okay, so now that I'm at the front, I'm gonna undo the twist and then I'm gonna comb that out a bit. Then I'm gonna go in with a rat tail comb to make my middle part as straight as I possibly can. And once I get that to my liking, I'm gonna comb it out just to make sure that there's no bumps in it, and then go in with the Eco Styler gel again and just smoothen that out to include it with the rest of the ponytail. Once I've smoothed out the front, I'm just gonna remove the hair tie from the back and just put some gel to hold, put some more gel just to hold everything together, and then go back in with the hair tie to secure my entire head. And then I am going to go in with the bristle brush, the hard bristle brush, to brush everything in just to make sure that everything is sleek to my liking. So I kind of go back and forth with the gel and the brush just so that everything is to my liking. And now I'm just gonna go in with a headscarf and I'm gonna use that to tie down my hair just to ensure that all the gel that we just used sets properly. And then you're gonna see that I'm gonna go in with another headscarf over the one that I already have just for extra security. And as for the puff at the back of my hair, I'm just gonna braid that away so that it's easier for me to work with when it's time for the ponytail. this ponytail, I'm gonna be using the Freetress braid crochet hair, and I'm using 3 packs of this hair. So this is how 3 whole packs of the Freetress crochet hair look, and basically I am making sure that one end of the hair in my hand is longer than the other. And this is how I'm going to attach it in my hair. And what I mean by that is that the shorter end, I'm going to attach it in a way that that part is at the back of my head, and then the longer part is at the front, so that I can flip that over. And this gives like a gradient effect, which is what a ponytail is, where it's like thicker at the base, and as you go down towards the end it gets thinner. That's the same effect that you get once you do the feeding method, and that's essentially what I'm going for, hence why I'm doing it like this. I hope I'm explaining it right, guys, but if I'm not, please just look at what I'm doing and that should help. Okay guys, so what you see me now, I'm going to make 3 sections so that it's easier for me to start the braided ponytail. Now, this hair was not easy to work with at all. As you guys know, it is crochet hair, and crochet hair is not necessarily used to do ponytails or braids in any sense. It's used for other stuff. So this was kind of hard. As for my actual ponytail, the braided ponytail that I did on my hair, I'm basically going to conceal that into the crochet hair, or try my best to conceal it into the crochet hair, and I'm just going to braid it all the way down. Now you have to be super patient while doing this, because as I said, the hair gets super tangly. It is very hard to work with. You need patience, dedication, all of that. So yeah, just take your time while doing this. Don't try and rush it, you know, take your sweet time, and eventually you will get into a rhythm. And mind you guys, I am no way, shape, form, nothing a hairstyler or a hairdresser or hair anything, so this style may not be perfect, but I just thought it was something cute and wanted to share it with y'all. Now that the braid is done, I'm gonna step off camera for a bit and do my makeup and come right back. Okay, hey guys, I'm back, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those headscarves so that we can see what we're working with and see if my hair is finally dry, which I think it was. And then now I'm just gonna go and do my edges. To do my edges, I'm using the Goldwell Style Ultra Volume Lagoon Gel. now that my edges is done, I forgot to leave some hair to cover the base, so I'm actually going to use an extra pack of hair that I bought, and I'm going to use that to cover the base of my hair. And this actually too helps to hide my real hair braid that I did, because it wasn't completely concealed in the ponytail that I attached. And now to take the hairstyle to another level, I'm gonna go in with some diamond studded earrings that I got from the beauty supply store for literally $1, and I'm just gonna use that entire pack and put it into the braided ponytail. So basically all I do, I just take the earrings out and I just put them randomly in the ponytail. And I noticed that throughout the day when I had this, some of them did fall out, and what I did to combat this is that I basically took the ones that fell out, or even the ones that were already in my hair, and I just bent the back of the earring a bit so that it kind of hooks itself into my hair and it's harder for it to fall out. And being that these earrings were so cheap, it was not hard to bend the back. So yeah, you guys can try that as well, just to prevent it from falling out. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Let me know if you like this hairstyle. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, take care, guys.